right, let's turn to first alert weather. We had a little rain last week.
Yeah.
It feels like that rain is just gone. We're dry here,
Right.
Latoya.
You know, this drought conversation continues on this first day of the week because it continues to be a problem.
It does. And the map that I'm going to show does not take into account the rain that we had from last week.
Okay.
So
it's going to get better.
Hopefully, it may actually just stay the same.
Oh, no.
I know. We have such a deficit. We need several inches of rain to get out of the drought conditions that have been expanding across the area for months and months. And so here's where we stand. Abnormally dry all across southern New England with severe to extreme drought across northern New England here. And that is affecting our foliage. Things are running ahead of schedule by about 1 to 2 weeks due to the stress on the trees and the color as well. As you see the daily rainfall for this month, yesterday, we picked up a sneaky a trace of rain, 0.01 inches at Logan Airport. And it was from the rain that we had early in the morning. If you blink, you missed it, or if you slept in too, anytime past 5 a.m. But Thursday, we picked up the most rain of the month with 1.42 inches of rain, so 8 days of measurable rainfall. And we still need much more. Not going to get it for today. First Alert Live radar all dry, satellite imagery on top of it as well. And we go to the south. There are 2 tropical storms that I'm looking at. We have Imelda and we have Umberto. Umberto just south of Bermuda, with Imelda becoming named in the last several hours. That has strengthened. It will continue to strengthen over the Bahamas, but it makes an important turn, a huge turn. Unlike what I was showing you just a couple days ago, we do not anticipate now a major flood issue across the southeastern U.S. This one turns early enough that, unfortunately, Bermuda is in the path of this Category 1 hurricane, and then that storm continues out to sea to the north. Umberto here, winds of 130. This has weakened a bit, and it does not make landfall. It goes in between Bermuda and the U.S. coastline for this week, Wednesday into Thursday and beyond. It passes by us, and it does turn up our wave heights. So we're going to see a bit of wind, a little bit of wave action too, and especially going into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. How about our health impacts for today? We've seen some improvement. No joint pain expected. Asthma low. Pollen count low, although ragweed is definitely dominant out there. Along with cold and flu season, we're medium with the threat there. High temps today in the 70s and 80s. It's a beautiful forecast. Enjoy the summer-like temps while we can, because the cool down already starts to sneak in tonight as lows drop into the 40s and 50s, with Tuesday bringing us slightly cooler air at the coast. Light sea breezes 71. We stayed pretty toasty inland, still approaching 80 degrees. A Canadian area of high pressure moves in for the rest of this week, and that's why we're going to be so cool. It also is responsible for blocking Imelda and Umberto, kicking it out to sea. With high pressure, though, our highs will be in the 50s and 60s going into Wednesday and Thursday, as you see on the 10-day right here. It's also windy at the coast, rough surf too. A little more about that coming up.
Pamela, thank you.